Let's say you're using the exact same professional services agreement, the exact same customer as the video right above. Well, you're tracking time for it. What's the easiest way for you to track time for that client? Well, you're already tracking that time in Toggl because we created a project in Toggl for you to be able to track that time. Well, how do you integrate your Toggl time with your project management software? You can create a Zap for that. It'll make it really easy for invoicing. So, you set up your workspace. It's the same workspace that you used in the previous Zap. Now, you don't need a trigger, or you don't need a task, or you don't need tags in order for a new time entry trigger to be activated. You just need a new time entry. Your action, create a comment. What we want to do is we want to make it really easy for you to track your time and to be able to copy and paste invoice directly into whatever your invoicing software is, or if you invoice using Excel, directly into that. So every time you add a new time entry, every time you say, hey, I worked on this project for 3 hours, I worked on this project for 5 hours, for 15 minutes, for 3 seconds. In this case, we did a 3-second trigger, duration 3. Create a comment in Trello. Well, what happens? What happens now is in Trello, under that project, under the project for that client, a commented text shows up, time worked, for the amount of time. Now when you go to invoice, all you have to do is go to that Trello card where all of your other information already is, look through the comments, add up all of that time, and send off the invoice to the client. It just saved you hours, maybe even days of tracking down the amount of time that you spent doing stuff just to be able to get paid for it. By the way, Toggl and Trello are both free. They're both free with Zapier. They're both free for you to use. It's really, really easy.